Okay, so right now I am working on my latest project in my house, my closet. Me and my husband have a walk-in closet, and most of it is mine. His dresser stays out in our living room. My dresser's in here. All my hanging stuff is in here. All of my travel things are in here. All my purses and my wallets. And of course, he has things in here too. He has one half of the closet, and I have the other 3/4. So anyway, I have this goal and vision that I'm going to be tucking all of this away. I have lots of stuff on my top shelf that are in some old bins. I use what I have until I know what I want, and I'm not going to purchase it until I know what I want. So that's what I'm going through right now. Since I know what I want, now I'm spending the money. But in order to make more space and slowly try to minimize some things, I'm getting rid of a lot. So I started out first with getting rid of some things that are hanging up in my closet and switching my hangers out. So the first thing I did was I went from plastic hangers to these hangers I got on Amazon. What I like about these is they grip really great and they don't leave nipples in your shoulder. Y'all know what I'm talking about, ladies. So we're switching everything out to those. My husband's side, of course, is going to be staying with the white hangers because his tops don't have that effect. They don't get the little nipples like ours do. So I'm in the purging process. So I've done my hanging things. I've done my shelves. Now I'm working on my drawers. And then after that is bringing in my new product and setting things up. So I look forward to showing y'all some fun things that I found over the next month or so, because it does take a while for things to come in. But happy organizing, and I look forward to speaking to you soon.